Hello everyone. Today we'll begin with our book that is Knowledge World of Class 3 by Seraphic Publications. Hello everyone. Let's begin with our new chapter that is chapter number 15, Go Green. Why we are saying go green? Because of many of the human activities like industrialization, urbanization, cutting of trees, we are facing many natural calamities on our earth like earthquakes, floods, famines, landslides, droughts, etc. So in order to prevent ourselves from all these calamities or natural disasters, इन सब से बचने के लिए हमने सोचा है कि अपने एनवायरनमेंट को कैसे हम बचा सकते हैं. So we are going to now follow a process which is called as Go Green. We should do or act certain activities in such a way that they are helpful in sustaining life for more years over there, and so that our future generation can live happily and safely in its neat and clean environment. So there are certain pictures given over there. They can be image or they can be called as the symbols which are related to our environment, and hence we have to write the names of them. So let's begin with the exercise quickly. Let's take a look at the first picture, and it is a picture of a girl which is carrying a box and it has certain plastic bottles in it, and there is a sign which is showing a triangular figure, and this symbol is of reduce, reuse and recycle. Then we have the second picture of a tap along with a water droplet in it, and this picture shows save water. Then we have the third picture. We have a bicycle in the picture, and this is actually a symbol for make cycling as a habit. Fourth picture is another picture of a battery, or you can call it a cell, but it is actually a symbol which is telling you for use rechargeable battery. Then we have the fifth picture. It is of a plant, and this is indicating, or this image indicates for plant trees. Then we have the sixth picture. The sixth picture is of various kinds of colored paper bags, and hence the picture is a symbol for use paper bags. Let's now move to the other pictures. So the next picture that we are talking about is of few dustbins shown over here, and this image indicates the symbol of use dustbins. Then we have the eighth image, and it is of a straw or a pipe which is made up of plastic along with a bar cancel sign over there, and this says say no to plastic. Then we have the last, that is the ninth image of this chapter, which is of a socket plug given over there along with a small leaf-like structure in green, and this symbol indicates consume less energy. So in order to provide safe environment to our future generations and let them live happily and allow our earth to stay longer for a period of time in a sustainable environment, we should go for all these things so that we can help promote life. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.